Hello guys, how are you? We will make review for Xiaomi CIVI. Xiaomi CIVI is the upcoming mobile that is a great combination of functionality and style. The phone is speculated to be launched in India on December 31, 2021. Xiaomi CIVI specifications. Launch date December 31, 2021. 8 GB RAM. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 1200. Screen size 6.67 inches, 16.94 centimeters. Screen resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels. Pixel density 395 pixels per inch. Display type AMOLED. Touchscreen. Capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch. Height 164.7 millimeters. Width 76.9 millimeters. Thickness 8.8 millimeters. Weight 203 grams. Colors gray, white, blue. Internal memory 128 gigabytes. Camera resolution 108 MP, f/1.8, wide, 8 MP, f/2.2, ultra-wide, 5 MP, f/2.4, macro. LED flash. Camera settings: exposure compensation, ISO control. Shooting modes: continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR. Camera features digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Front camera resolution 16 MP, wide, f/2.5. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. Type lithium polymer, USB Type-C. SIM size SIM1, Nano, SIM2, Nano. Network support 5G supported by device, network not rolled out in India. 4G, supports Indian bands, 3G, 2G. Wi-Fi yes, Wi-Fi 802.11, AC, AX, B per gram, N 5 GHz. Wi-Fi features mobile hotspot. Bluetooth yes. GPS yes with a GPS, GLONASS. USB connectivity mass storage device, USB charging. Fingerprint sensor position side. Other sensors: accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass.